Alright, today on William's Adventures, I just finished my neck seal. Now, on the vest, as you can tell here, there is a little bit of a gap, so I wanted to have a neck seal that went up under the helmet. And then, this showing that there is something under here, as you can tell here. Now, this is two different pieces. So, we'll take my flak vest off, and you can see this lays pretty much flat on my shoulders and chest here. And then what I did was I took and put Velcro on it. So let me turn the camera around and show you what I got going on here. Alright, so the neck seal here, I just made a rectangle the size of my neck plus like inch or inch and a half, something like that. Then about every 4 inches I sewed a seam up, and then about every inch in width is the side running seams. And then I put the Velcro on the end. Alright, Shadow, you can move your butt. And so, no, let go, not yours. No, you can get down now. Now, here, because this will take in Velcros together, and what I did was I put it so that this piece here folds under, and this would fold over to actually provide a nice, flawless coverage here. And no, this isn't perfect, but this will stand up on its own, as you can see here. There we go. And in order to make this, what I did was I took this part here, stood it on top of fabric, measured out about 4.5 inches all the way around, sewed it on the together here on the edges, and then ran a seam around the edge. It is very simple. Since it's under the armor, it doesn't really need to be all that pretty on the edge. And this is a type of Velcro. It's not really a Velcro, more of a funky hook system that works very similar to Velcro. It doesn't actually rip, it just pulls apart and hooks together. So what I can do is when I get it in place, I actually just squeeze it into itself or against itself, and it'll hold in place. There we go. And here's the flak vest all sewn up and done. Now next is going to be the sleeves here, that I'm going to basically do the same thing as I did with this, where it's going to be a separate piece. However, I'm going to actually sew them to my flight suit, which is in there. At least that's my current plan. So it's more like an oversleeve that will start a little bit higher than the shoulder and then come down to about where it meets my elbow. And so you will see the blue over over this, and then it'll come down, and so it'll look like a sleeve over this. So this will be an inner sleeve, and then there'll be the outer sleeve. But there we go. And so once I get that taken care of, then I'm going to have to go through and start working on the flight suit and getting it squared away. Because there's some pockets and stuff that I need to take off. And for example, like here, I need to take this off. The adjustable Velcro. So yeah. Alright, well, there's a quick update. There we go.